Wait, is that a teeny tiny wool felt burger made with needle felting? Yes, friends. Yes, it is. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you all about needle felting and how to make the tiniest little burger. I'll talk you through my favorite fiber to use and what tools I think work the best for felting in miniature. This is a great project if you've done some needle felting and you're ready to level up your skills. We'll be making burger buns, a burger patty, and then 3 different types of toppings. Of course, I'll show you important details, like how to add sesame seeds on your burger bun. A burger without fries is just lonely, so I'll show you my favorite technique for making really cute, really tiny little felt fries. Sculpting wool with the felting needle is super fun and cathartic. We'll be stabbing the wool with our specially barbed needles and creating sculpture 3-dimensionally. Making this tiny burger is a super fun creative challenge, and it will also surprise and delight your friends when they see your teeny tiny burger on your desk. I hope you'll join me for this class. It's a really fun one. Happy felting!